Hey guys, I'm here today with some polishes from Born Pretty. I'm excited to see what they look like, so I'm gonna open these bad boys up, swatch them, and check them out. I'm gonna start with Guava MY278. Ooh. Green with a touch of peach. It looks really nice. Very sheer. I will be doing 2 coats of this. I'm gonna pull the magnet out to see what the base color is. Going in with a second coat. Oh yeah, that makes it pop so much more. And then, let's see here. Wow. Look how cool that is. Wow, that's beautiful. I really like that. Look how cool that is. Absolutely stunning. Here it is after being cured. Next we have Sunset Gaze MY231. All right. Ooh, that's beautiful too. Dark blue with, I'm not sure, like a goldy, yeah, goldy magnetic. Oh, yeah. Blue with gold. I'm gonna take all the magnet out. Whoa. That is so nice.
Is that tool work a lot easier for you?
Yeah, it does.
It works?
Holy smokes.
Is it a cool one?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And after cured, next we have Rhine Lake MY376. Ooh, that's a very nice blue. Blue magnet, blue polish. Next is grape, MY270. Ooh, purple and green. Really nice. Whoa, this one's so pretty too. That is insane. Last but certainly not least, Beauties MY242. So this is like a gray with pink. Very, very pretty, pretty pink. All right, let's see the beauty. Let's see the magic. Ooh, very Aurora. It's very pretty. It's very subtle. Here they are all swatched. I love the colors and I'm excited to come up with a design. And I'm so happy with these. Look how beautiful they are. The Sunset Gaze and the Grape, those are very pigmented with the cat eye. And the other three are very beautiful too. They're just a little more sheer. This middle blue one here would be great for a winter design. But I'm gonna have fun coming up with a really cool design for these new polishes. So I have picked out these two polishes and I'm going to do a design with them.